Good afternoon po. Ngayon po ay January 24, 2025 Friday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong January 24, 2025 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na mabasa para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Friday, January 24, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for January 24, 2025, Friday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Friday, January 24, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of January 24, 2025, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.